Hello friends, now we discuss lecture number 24, Gann square of 9. Before understanding the Gann square of 9 in detail, you please remember that the Gann square of 9 is mainly used for intraday tradings. It means those who have a trading view on intraday, they can use the Gann square of 9 better way. But in this lecture, I am also providing you some of the inputs that you can use for your another trading form. So let's start with Gann square of 9. Now most of the people is said that what is the name all about Gann square of 9? What it's all about? So Gann is basically a person's surname, that is the whole name is W.D. Gann, who is a very great mathematician and give the calculations by heavily using the geometrical and the numerical relationships. Gann rely heavily on geometrical and numerical relationships and creates several tools to help with this work. The square of 9 basically is a spiral of numbers. The initial value can be found in the center of the spiral. The value is then increased by the moving in a spiral form. Normally the center value is 1 and the step is 1 creating by spiral show below. Now by the help of this sample chart, we can easily understand how the Gann square is plotted. We see a spiral form which is drawn between 1 to 100 and the outer part by 0, 45, 90, 135, 180, 225 and 270. All these are considered to be the degrees. So Gann is using a spiral form which gives a potential support and potential resistances. The square of 9 is essentially a time and a price calculator which calculates both price target as well as the time expectations. And it also calculates the square root of number, both odd and even numbers as well their midpoints. It also looks for both time and price alignment from a specific starting point or a price level. That means in a simple term, Gann square of 9 will give you the price expectation as well as the time expectations. We will however not work on the time alignment as we are trading on a intraday. It means if you are trading on an intraday, the Gann square of 9 time alignment is ignored and you are only rely on price alignments. So how to make this spiral? How to make a Gann square of 9? We can easily understand the basic formula of Gann square of 9 by helping of few steps. Let's say that today's latest trading price or the current market price is 5,100. Now I need to square based on this. I follow the below steps to do this. The first step is to take the square root of the current market price or a latest trading price. That means a square root of 5,100. It means the square root is 71.41. I hope up to that step you are easily comfortably understand the concept. Now move to step second. Take two integers below square root latest trading price and two integers above. That means square root of latest trading price, two integers below are 70 and 71 and two integers above are 72 and 73. Now we move to step third. Now take square of 70, that is 70 into 70, that means 4,900. Place this in a center As 70 is on center, 70 and 71 in lower side, and 72 and 73 on the upper side. Now move to step 4. Now increase the 70 by 0.125. As we consider the rotation of price 360 degree is considered to be the 2 factor, and the 45 is considered to be the 0.125. As I told in previous post, the 1 represent the 360 degrees. So the 45 degree is 0.125. By the help of this, we easily understand the 45 degrees factor. So increase the 70 price by 0.125 and square in step 5th. By squaring the 70.125, you get a figure of 4917. Place this in the left block adjacent to the center block when you place 4900. So 4900 is at the center level. The next alternative resistance or target is 4917. Now we move to step 6. Increase the value further by 0.125. You will get 70.125 plus 0.125, that is equal to 70.25. Square the 70.25 will give you a number of 49.35. That is your again a next resistance or a price target. Now place this on the top block of the block where you place 49.17. Step 8. After generating 8 values, you will complete a level of square. Step 9. Repeat the steps with values square of 71.125 and so on. So finally you will get a square similar to one show. Let's understand this example. We already discussed the 9 steps and how this place will be calculated. So how to make a square of 9 we can easily understand by the sample chart. The sample image show you the 4900 at the absolute center. Then the next level that we are calculated by adding 0.125 in 70 and square it, then it is come to 4917. Then we again added 0.125, then and again square, then it considered to be 49.35. Then again 49.52, 49.70, 49.87, 5005, and the spiral is go on. The spiral complete cycle is finished at 5329. It means a larger wave is finished around 5329. To consider the important support, the 0.125 is less from 70, that creates a square and the figure is come around the back one. I hope so. With the example of this sample's image, you can easily understand how the square of 9 is created. First we create the center value and give the adjustment factor and square it, so the whole spiral is formed. Now our price is situated or in a yellow box, that is 5100 latest trading prices. It means the next hurdle is 5112. If the price breaks that 5112, it's given buying opportunity, and the possible target is 1530, 1548, 1566 and 1584. In the anti-clockwise, if we consider 5094 as our support level, if it breaks in morning, then we sell at the position, and the targets are 5076, 5058, 5041 and 5023. Now in the new example, the latest trading price we consider show on your screen is 5152. You enter the price in Gann 5152 and just calculate it. It's automatically give the numbers in spiral form. You will get the square of 5152 and fall between 5166 to 5148. Targets are the next level in the calculation. How to find targets for buying and selling? In a simple example, for finding the targets, we have to move on a clockwise direction, and for getting the support levels or sell levels, we have to move in a anti-clockwise direction. That means, as you see in the picture, the yellow lines are moving in a clockwise direction, whereas the blue line is considered to be in a anti-clock directions. Always consider the targets less by 0.05% and the supports will be greater by 5%. So targets for buying is 0.99995 and the target for sell is 1000005. It means you have to put some low amount for your resistances and book your profits, and if you want to buying, you have to put some above a point above the support levels so that the opportunity is not missed. Now we take a simple example and understand how we take a trading view by using Gann Square of 9. We again take an example of Dow Jones Index. The latest trading price or Dow Jones Index on 3rd of May 2019 is 26,505. Now we put 26,505 in Gann calculator and just calculate it. The yellow box show on your screen is the latest trading price, that is 26,505. Now buy above the next hurdle, which is 26,528. If the price open and maintain above 26,528, then we have to buy and get a target on a clockwise direction. The targets are 26,555, 26,596 and 26,637, and the stop loss is just previous support to the current price, that is 26,487. If the price in the morning open below 26,487, then we have to take a sell view, and the targets will be anti-clockwise, that is 26,460, 26,419, 26,378 and 26,338, and the stop loss is your next resistance, that is 26,528. I think that by the help of this example, we can easily calculate the price targets and the stop losses within a fraction of seconds. We are giving the many examples in your curriculum as a practice sheets. By the help of spreadsheets, you can easily calculate and get your conclusive resistances and support. Please mind and make sure that Gann Square of 9 is always be considered for intraday trading.